All right, what's up, guys? We're downtown now. About to link up with Nigel. We're headed over to check out a loft today. So it's gonna be our first house tour that we're doing. Downtown LA, there's a lot of dope buildings, a lot of cool lofts. Right here behind me is the Eastern Building. Johnny Depp used to have a couple of penthouses in there that he put together. So yeah, we're pretty much gonna check out a loft today. Going out here with my birthday today. It's gonna be a cool little day. All right, so we about to check out this Broadway Palace.
Broadway Palace, downtown LA. Show you guys the gym.
It's our birthdays today.
Hey, what's up, LA?
All right, perfect day for the first tour. So right now, Nigel stays in the building. He's in a one-bedroom unit.
That's right.
The unit we're about to check out now is what?
So it's going to be a split level, right? So the first floor is going to be where you live. So I believe this one's going to be either a two-bedroom or one-bedroom.
Okay.
And down beneath, we'll have a retail spot where you can have a business, or if you have a roommate that you want to live on a separate floor, you can do that as well.
Okay, cool. So about to head back down and check that out.
So what makes this building unique is it's actually 3 pools, 3 hot tubs. So this is the first pool. What we're going to do is we're going to circle back to the next pool. We already showed you guys the gym, and you're going to see the theater, you're going to see the office, and we have quite a bit to offer here in downtown LA.
Well, so all through the building, there's little courtyards like this with fountains and just nice little sitting areas all through the building with trees. The balconies overlooking for some of the units. But these little courtyards are just everywhere in the building. So it's just a really nice setup, really calm. Even though you're in the heart of downtown LA, there's a lot of little peaceful spots so you can hang out and relax. So it's a real cool setup. Cool, so the leasing agent's about to meet up with us now. We're about to go check out the live work. The first one we're checking out is gonna be a larger space. It has like a little bit of a landing there, so that might not be the one we want. And then the other space is seeming like more it's in Nigel's same building.
Yep.
But I don't know if you want to tell us a little bit about the live work setup or what's going on here before we look at the unit.
Yeah, so what I'm looking for in live work is a unit up top. So it'll be like a 1-bedroom up top. You have like your living room, you have your kitchen. Really nice place to start off. And then down below, you can have like a retail space. So if you're thinking of like a gym, I know we have a gym here. We have a studio here. We have a realtor that works completely out of that office. We have a lot of stylists here as well. So there's a number of options and really creative entrepreneurs that live in this building, and you'll be the next one.
Nice. Yeah, I think a cool thing about the live work setup here is you don't have to actually go buy a separate store. So if you're just getting into the city, you're kind of new to Los Angeles, it was news to me that buildings like this have a live work setup where you actually can kind of save a little bit on your business and still be able to live above and have a nice place again with all the amenities. So, it's a really smart setup. I think it's really cool that Nigel made our first tour something like this where not only can you live here, but you can also make some money back by living here.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
We haven't 100% got it ready just yet. So you got your 1 bedroom up here. You've got your full-size bathroom in the bedroom. You've got all the appliances are full-size, despite it being a little smaller.
That is nice. I had a half-size washer for a little bit. I hated it.
And obviously they're going to make it nice and pretty in here.
Okay, good.
I managed the one. Yeah, downstairs is big, and it's got a half bath in there, so no one needed to come upstairs.
Downstairs is
Wow. Let me see.
crazy.
Wow, this is interesting. Oh, you definitely got it.
You're gonna love this.
Stick it up downstairs looking like.
Yeah, careful now.
So pretty much this would be the storefront space right here. That's the door.
Big, huh?
It's a great location. This is Main Street right here. So this is right off Main Street. All right, cool. So we made it up here to the pool area. We just checked out the unit. The unit was huge, really great location. The cool thing too is that not only do you get the live work area, you get all these amenities. So this is probably my favorite pool in the building. When I first came to visit Nigel, I love this pool. It's on the rooftop, but they have a bunch of amenities. I'll let him tell you more about it.
Yeah, so I like this building a lot because of the amenities, right? It really became a no-brainer for me. So here we're at the rooftop pool. We also have a jacuzzi here. This pool specifically is really nice for the sunset, as well as the hot tub. When it cools off a little bit in the winter in LA, come to the hot tub, relax, bring friends. You can bring as many friends as you'd like. Right behind me here, we actually have a community room. Sometimes the community puts together community events. They bring in a DJ, they bring food, they bring drinks. It's a really vibrant community. Also, what we do sometimes, we'll do like a Taco Tuesday. We did a Thanksgiving event with all of my friends last year. Sometimes we do a brunch. To the left of me is Ace Hotel. Ace Hotel is really cool, nice rooftop over there as well. Good place to have your friends stay if you don't want them to stay in particular with you. Right. And then this Broadway Street itself, it has a PacSun within a building as well as a bank within a building. West Elm, if you're looking to do furniture shopping, this building is comprised of about 3 different gyms, 3 different pools, 3 different hot tubs, and a lot of fun.
Yeah, it's definitely one of the nicer communities downtown. I noticed there's a lot of like young professionals here, a lot of, even older professionals. So you notice it's not a lot of college like partying going on here. It's a lot of people who are kind of moving a little bit more professional here. So great building, nice building, safe building. One of the nicer places downtown.
And it was a no-brainer for me. I mean, when it came down to selecting a place to live for downtown LA, moving from, I actually lived in Miami, Florida before this, so this was like a no-brainer for me. Easy to park, easy for your guests to park. Staples Center's right down the road. A number of your favorite restaurants, some of the best restaurants in LA are within arm's reach. I mean, you're talking about a Whole Foods down the street. You have Ralph's, which is our local supermarket. Anything and everything that you need is within a few blocks. So it's one of my favorite buildings in downtown LA.